Alright guys, so we're back here, and what we have so far is this piece and those pieces there attached, as well as those. Now we have this new little cool looking bag, and we're looking for parts again. Let's look for parts. Let's see what's in here. Bunch of screws and washers and things. Interesting parts. Okay, so I think what they want us to use is a bunch of these bits over here. Zoom up a little bit there. Need to find all these parts here and then connect them up to these parts here. And I'm guessing this is all stuff that's going to help us with steering in some meaningful way, maybe? I don't know. I don't know so far. It looks like that, but we'll see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.